Hi guys, good evening. We are here in hospital. So King Khalid Hospital. Yeah. So this is the exit. Okay. So this is the entrance of the King Khalid. Yes, of course. So look at the place here. Yeah. See. It's a beautiful place and very wide here. Yeah, so much patients here in the place. King Khalid Hospital. Yeah, look at that. This is OPD department. Yeah, so I will be reaching our uh, um, vehicle. So because our one of my colleague they have a operation of the schedule this 8 p.m. So that's why. So look around here. So beautiful and wide place. Huh? This is my vehicle. Still not yet coming here. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.